Imagine pulling into a station with only 5% battery left, and instead of plugging in, you simply stop the car and wait. A machine moves underneath, something clicks, and less than 3 minutes later, you drive away fully charged. No cables, no waiting, just swap and go. It sounds like science fiction, but battery swapping technology is already being tested, and it could completely change how electric cars work. Right now, one of the biggest reasons people hesitate to buy an electric car is simple: waiting for charging. Even fast chargers can take 20 to 40 minutes, especially during long trips. And that delay makes many drivers wonder, are EVs really convenient yet? So engineers asked a different question. What if we didn't charge the battery at all? What if we just replaced it? Imagine driving into an automated station. Robotic systems remove the empty battery from underneath your car and instantly install a fully charged one. The entire process can take less time than checking your phone notifications. Suddenly, range anxiety disappears. And here's where it gets interesting. If battery swapping becomes common, electric cars may not need huge, expensive batteries anymore. Smaller batteries could make cars lighter, cheaper, and more efficient, while charging happens quietly in the background at swap stations. That means faster travel, lower costs, and almost no downtime. But there's one big challenge. Every car company currently designs batteries differently. For swapping to work everywhere, manufacturers would need to agree on shared standards, and that decision could shape the future of transportation. So the real question is, will automakers cooperate, or will traditional charging remain the winner? Imagine highways filled with swap stations, taxis running all day without stopping, and road trips where energy is never something you worry about. This might look like a small innovation, but it could become one of the biggest changes in automotive history. If you want clear, simple explanations of the newest EV technologies before everyone else starts talking about them, make sure you subscribe now, because the future of cars is evolving faster than most people realize, and staying informed today means understanding tomorrow first.